My name is Johny Trasti. I'm 57 years old. I'm from Finnmark, and I've been a chef my whole life. Yeah, the nature is of course very important for me. That's one of the reasons I moved back to Finnmark, because I would like to be more in the nature and cook from the nature. But if you go out and look at the nature, then you understand more about your kitchen, how you want to think about more what you are eating and why we are eating it. When things start to grow it's the most inspired season, because then if you can grow your own vegetables or do something from the nature. In the starter, it's the monkfish from the Sørøya, and we have made like a broth of dried mushrooms, because we have morels and dried mushrooms the whole season we can use. Of course, the season of the fresh ones are short, and we have made a broth with that and some seaweed. Reindeer is probably the things I make most often. We have reindeer tongue also on the dish. Sweet onion on the side. In the summertime you have sunshine 24 hours, and the energy it gets out of the vegetables and the herbs and the berries we grow here are extreme. On the dessert, we have cloudberries from mountains around here. We have blueberries we can pick in the woods. We have dried blueberries. We have pine trees where we have taken the bark of the pine trees to make an ice cream and some oil. So it's really taste of the nature just around the house. If you are open and you're looking outside the window, then you can be inspired of the woods and the leaves from the trees. If they can taste as they live in the nature, it has to be perfect.